diet, 21-day meal planner. It's all mapped out for you. Subscribe to the channel below. Go ahead and hit that and like the video. Thank you for tuning in. Today's smoothie is smoothie number 3 on day 10. After today, we go into 3 days of juicing, and today was a full day of smoothies only. I'm looking forward to the body transformation. Again, no matter who you are, no matter what level you are in your mind and control and brilliance and hard work and effort, take a moment, take 21 days to get your body in check, revived, clean, less pain, feeling better. I promise you, you will not regret it. My girlfriend says there is no taste that is better than feeling skinny. Jump on board a Let It Go diet. Always check in with a doctor. Do it. It's balanced. Let's go. Today's smoothie is called Popeye Gone Bananas. Spinach, bananas, carrot, turmeric, coconut flakes, coconut water, and hemp. We're missing an ingredient today, and that's oranges. This calls for 1 orange squeezed. I don't have it. I ran out. I forgot to go to the grocery store. Whatever it is, adapt. You don't have to follow every single recipe, but I'll read the recipe so you have it for your files and your use. It is 1 banana frozen, 2 cups of spinach loosely packed, half a cup of carrots shredded, 1 orange peeled, not peeled, but 2 tablespoons of hemp protein, 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder. I've been using turmeric root the whole time, but I thought this time to show you turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes and 1 cup of water and a cup of ice. Now, I don't have coconut flakes. I have coconut flour. I'll use that. I don't need water. I have coconut water. So a little adaptation. No orange, no coconut flakes. We get started. It calls for 1 cup of water. We're going to use the coconut water. And I know there's 8 ounces in here, so we will use the rest of that. It did call for 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes, but we're going to add in the the coconut flour. Next up, 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder. This is half a tablespoon, so we'll add that. And if you remember, black pepper helps break down turmeric so it absorbs in your body. So just throw in, splash, you'll be happy that you did. 2 cups loosely packed spinach, yes, in a smoothie. Go figure, you'll love it. Now this blender is also known as an emulsifier, so it really will blend up that spinach just to a fine smoothie consistency. Maybe a regular house blender that you pick up every day may not give you the same consistency, but give it a shot. 1 banana, frozen. Half a cup of carrots, shredded, are already in there. Next we need 2 tablespoons of hemp protein. I'm also going to add in some ice cubes because I like my smoothies extra cold. I can tell already that this will need a little bit more water to really make this into a smooth smoothie consistency. Okay, so I'll add in an extra, about a half cup of water. And because I do not have oranges, I thought I'll add in some mango. So we'll add in a few pieces of frozen mango. As always, make sure the lid is on. Stick around until this is blended. I'm going to taste it and give you the most important nutritional, emotional tidbit throughout this whole 21 days. It's coming to you shortly. Hold on. All right. So we'll let that settle for a minute and then we'll give it a taste. This is the Popeye Gone Banana Smoothie. The emotional eating tidbit that I think is the #1 tidbit over the whole 21 days that's from the Let It Go diet planner. Make peace with food. Yes, make peace with your neighbors, make peace with the community, make peace with work, your boyfriends, girlfriends, husband, wives, parents. Make peace with everyone. Practice the 90-10 rule. Most food choices, 90% of the time, should be made for physical health. And do you want to know what the other 10% is good for? Pleasure. So try to eat well 90% of the time. I bet we all do it just the opposite. Hence, get the Let It Go diet, try it out, follow these recipes on YouTube. Even if you don't get the recipe book, follow it, do it for 21 days, see how you feel. You will feel amazing. Promise you. I'm already down 8 pounds in 10 days. I'll be down another 8 pounds here in 5 days. Alright, so let's give this a swig. It looks almost like split pea soup. Let me bring it close. Check out the green, bright green of this Popeye gum banana smoothie. Cheers to my friends. Man, I'll tell you what. For the past 10 days, I've been using the turmeric root, thinking that would actually be stronger. This, I'm telling you, you'll enjoy turmeric. It's got a bite, but it gives it just a nice, strong flavor that I know you'll enjoy. Subscribe to the video. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Let It Go diet. Take care of yourself.